Hello everybody, what day is it? It's Wednesday. What does that mean? Fakeaway, takeaway. So I thought today, I got one of these books from Aldi. Eat Well for Less. We've all seen it, haven't we, on the telly. But I've always wondered myself, how good is their recipes? So I got one of their books. And today, we're going to be doing, let me show you. I've had to sit up the table because I've got all my stuff over on the side there. We're going to be doing turkey chili tacos. Now, because I've got quite a lot of ingredients, I mean, it's not a lot, but my side's full. Instead of going through everything, I'll show you what everything is. It'd be easier that way. So just pause it and do what you do. This is everything I've got. And there's the salsa. And there's the guacamole. And there's the instructions, and I'm going to literally, and that's what it's supposed to look like. But I'm not having hard shells. I fancied soft shells. So I bought some of them. Corn and wheat ones. Because I fancy soft today, so I'm going to have soft. So that's what we're going to do. So, I'd like to see what it's like. This is a turkey one, as it says. I always thought turkey, because I don't really buy minced turkey much, I always thought turkey was a lot cheaper than beef. But it's exactly the same price up Aldi. $2.49 for the turkey and $2.49 for the beef. But I got the turkey because I'm going to follow the recipe anyway. So anyway, let's start cooking and we'll see what it comes out like. Okay, first things first, I've got my pan heating up. Medium to high heat, and I want to get 1 tablespoon of oil in, and my onions, as I say, you've seen the recipe, haven't you? So well, I say yeah, I was a bit surprised about the turkey because it is usually a bit cheaper. But hey, never mind. And I suppose it's because of the healthiness, isn't it? That's why I pick it. But anyway, we'll fry them up for 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, next we want to add the red chilli. It's quite a big red chilli, that is. And the garlic for 1 minute. There's my mince, 500 gram of mince. I don't know how much it said on the thing. Yeah, 500 gram of mince. Same price as beef, but we'll give this 1 minute. Just to release them flavours. Okay, now I'm going to add me turkey, get all that in. I haven't seasoned it because it doesn't say so on the instructions. Well, I'd have probably seasoned a bit of beef or something, but it's all about the healthy stuff, I suppose. Wash my hands quickly. And we'll fry all this up till it goes brown. And in the meantime, I'm going to get my chickpeas and I'm going to drain them out. There you go, that's all browning off now. Now you want to get all your spices in. Cumin, smoked paprika, brown sugar, get all that in. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Give it a stir for 1 minute. Get all them spices in there. Looking a bit better now, isn't it? Because turkey don't look the best, does it? It's turkey mince. That's looking a lot better now. We're getting there, guys, we're getting there. Now chickpeas now, I suppose that's to pack it out. I don't really like chickpeas me, but I'm going to do it because of the instructions anyway. So half a tin, 200 gram. Chickpeas. Tin of chopped tomatoes. In. Give it a mix. There we go. Now we've got to leave that for 15 minutes to be done, and then we'll be on to the salsa. Obviously just cover it up and let it simmer away. I'll clean up, then we'll go on to the salsa. Okay guys, first things first for the salsa then. 5 tomatoes, I've just chopped the end off. Where the stalk goes, that's all. I'm just going to chop all these up, that's all. And just get them in a bowl, and chop them up nice and small. I could have used my chopper, I didn't think. I'd have done it in one go. I decided to use my chopper instead. A lot easier in it and quicker. Chop it all up, they'll all be roughly the same size then. Get them in. So have me sitting there cutting up, might as well just do this. Quite good these are. There was only, I think it was $4.99 from Aldi. If I can remember, I've had it a long time now, a while. But it does the job. There you go, 5 of them. There's the tomatoes, done. Nice and easy. Onions. Half an onion in. Yellow pepper. So we chop the pepper off, deseed it. Yep. Fingers, Keith, fingers. Saying the guacamole is going to be done very last because it'll go brown, won't it? I mean it's going to have a bit of what it called? What's it called? Lemon in it anyway. I thought guacamole was done with lime, isn't it? But no, it says lemon, maybe because you buy a lemon for this. I'm not sure, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of guacamole either, so, and I don't think I've never made it in my life. Well, now we've got a bit of garlic, 1 garlic clove. Bit of half a lemon. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil, or just use vegetable oil or whatever. Some salt and pepper to taste. And give it a mix. Just mix it all together. It's like a salsa thing there. Could have done a bit more juice in there. But it's just a refreshing dip, isn't it? That's all. Well, that's that one done. Okay, I'm going to set them in the microwave for 35 seconds. I've just pierced the packets, you probably can't see. Just 35 seconds in the microwave, that's all. While we get on with the guacamole. Okay, get your avocado. Cut it up. Not a big fan of avocados either. I ain't cut that very well, have a look. Scrape it out. I'm probably in the way of the camera. Probably can't see nothing. That bit right there. Like so. Half a lemon juice. Some sour cream. 2 tablespoons of that. 1, 2, and a quarter of a teaspoon of paprika, I think it says. And we'll give that a mash. We'll just mash it all up. Let me know if you like guacamole. I don't like guacamole. I swear it's maybe you do it with lime, don't you? I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe you can do it with lemon and lime, I suppose. I couldn't tell you. Don't have it often. Well, very rare actually. I think I might have had it probably twice in my life. There's the guacamole. I'm just going to put a little bit in here. You can just go in there, like so. There we go. That's done. And there is your chilli. If you can see it. Put it in a bowl and just put it all on the table and you can help yourself. Now it says a bit of lettuce at the bottom. We're not putting any lettuce at the bottom. Because we don't want lettuce. But you get a bit of lettuce. Do a bit of lettuce if you want. But we're just going to have that on the wrap things. Tortillas. Right, let's get up the table. Okay. It's all done, it's all up the table. We're both thinking the same about the chickpeas, aren't we, Bab? Because we're not too keen on them. Are we? But you never know, do you? Let me show you. There's a guacamole. Something else we're not keen on, is he? No. There's the chilli. There's the salsa. I've put a few dips there. And there's the tortilla wrap, corn wrap things, whatever they are. Corn tortillas. So let's have a crack anyway, eh, Bab? So, get yourselves one. Try that, yeah, try that. Hold on, let me turn this round.
I didn't get any on, I just nicked a crisp.
Any what?
I didn't get any on, I just nicked a crisp.
Oh, didn't you? Try some of that salsa then. Or do you want to try some of that first?
I can try some of this.
Go on then. Let's see you. Put one there.
You have to wait a minute so I can separate the chickpeas.
Okay.
Come back in a minute.
Okay, I'll do mine then.
Yeah,
I didn't do any lettuce because I thought you don't like hot lettuce, do you?
No, I don't like. Oh no, not hot lettuce.
So I thought I won't do any of that then.
Hot lettuce. Oh. It smells nice.
It does smell nice.
I just don't like chicken.
Do you want some sour cream in there?
No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Put a bit of salsa on it. Just to try. So I haven't tasted anything because I don't like to taste anything. When I'm testing, put a bit of that on. I do apologise about the camera work at the minute.
Do you want me to try some guacamole soon as you've made some?
Go on then, yeah, see what you think.
No,
See what you think.
I'm just going to put it on the side of my plate, I don't want to ruin my food.
Just stick it in your gob.
No.
No. No?
No.
Is that a no for you? Okay. Let me try. Yeah, we're not big fans of that stuff, are we?
I don't like avocado. I'll try some of this salsa, it looks nice.
Well, there you go. And it does smell nice, doesn't it?
It smells really nice. It looks really nice as well. Done a good job here.
And that. For it being turkey, I'll tell you what, that ain't half bad, you know.
Turkey?
Yeah. I want a bit of sour cream. I'm telling you, that's not half bad at all. Let's get a bit of sour cream on there. I've made a right mess of the kitchen, I know that much. What do you think? Give that her opinion. Apologies about the light in the background. We need it because it's very dark.
I know it is.
Yeah? They're nice, isn't they?
I do like that.
You like that?
I don't like that.
You like that salsa as well?
Don't like that.
You don't like that guacamole?
Even though
I think, to be honest with you,
I'll try again on my
I'm going to try a bit of that guacamole. I'm going to try guacamole and it all together, if you get what I mean. Got a white t-shirt on again, love.
You got aprons in there? No, I don't. Not the guacamole. What?
I think all together, that complements itself. The complements itself. I think it'd be a lot better with beef. But it's more the healthy stuff, isn't it? I suppose. But all in all, guys, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. And there's loads, isn't there? I've done loads like that because I didn't think two would fill me up, but
The guacamole with this isn't overpowering.
no, it's not overpowering, is it?
When it's on its
When it's on its own.
When it's on its own. And I think, I know I don't like guacamole, but if I had to, I prefer the homemade one to the shop one.
To the shop one.
Yeah.
That salsa is really nice.
I like that as well.
You like that? You just don't like chickpeas, do you?
Oh, I hate chickpeas.
I'm not a big fan, but I don't mind them. I will have them if I have to, like, you know what I mean?
Does
But
it
it's
taste
not-
nice in there?
Yeah, it tastes nice. And I suppose because of the chickpeas, it packs out the meal, doesn't it? Do you get what I mean?
Everyone's different, they all like different stuff, so.
Yeah, all in all, I'm happy with that.
I do like that, Fab. You managed to
Very
do
happy.
a really good job there.
Yeah, so well done to, what is it? Eat well, eat less, what's it called? Eat well for less. Well done, that is nice. That is nice. And I followed it to the instructions, so that's bang on. So I'm going to do some more out of that book. I've got a couple of other books, so. As I say, I am the old food guy. Fakeaway, takeaway. Eat well for less. Feast on, family feast on a budget. And I like it as well. So, fair play. I'm going to mark that a 9 out of 10. Because I think that's really nice. For it being turkey as well. What would you mark it, sweetheart?
9.5.
You'd mark it
9.5.
9.5 as well. Yeah, I'd mark that 9 out of 10. For cheap, I mean, I had a lot of the ingredients in already, so it didn't really cost me a lot. So if you've got some seasonings in, you just change your seasonings if you need to. But I say, thank you all for watching. It's a like, it's a subscribe. That's delicious. I'm going to eat some more. See you later. Bye-bye. I was just washing up and I've just said to Nat, I forgot to put the cheese on. I did have it, but I forgot to put it on. Nat's still eating, look. Bless that. You're right enjoying it, ain't you? You're right enjoying it. Yeah, so if anyone's, I did have the cheese, I just forgot to put it on there, that's all. So, never mind. Anyway, see you later.